Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Yakhni or Kashmiri bottle gourd Yakhni. This recipe has been made with the help of Wazas or Kashmiri local chefs. So let's get started. Here you can see they have peeled the bottle gourd and they are removing the seeds, and then they will cut it into pieces. Then they will add these pieces to boiling water, and they have added turmeric to it, and they are adding salt to it. Here you can see they will boil it for some time, 5 to 7 minutes. You can see in this video the chunks of bottle gourd they have made, and then after boiling it for a few minutes they will remove it from this turmeric water and strain it. Then they will add these boiled strained bottle gourd to hot oil and fry it. Here you can see. After frying them, they have put it aside in one pot and they will spice it up. Now they have added some fried shallots to it. Then, as you can see in the video, all the delicacies are queued up to be spiced, or in chef's language, masaldun. They start by adding mutton stock, followed by whole spices like green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, and then followed by fennel seed powder and dry ginger powder. After spicing it up, they have put it on the flame. So here you can see it's just the mutton stock and some basic spices. They have not added yogurt yet. And they will let it boil for some time. Meanwhile, they will prepare the yogurt or yakhni gravy. So here I'll show you. Making yogurt base or yakhni, in a big pot they have taken yogurt with all the whole spices, and they will bring it to boil. As you can see, they make it in one big pot, then they add it to wherever it's needed. But for making this, you have to keep it stirring till it gets its boil. As you can see here, it has started to boil. Then they will add big 2-3 ladles of this yogurt mixture to bottle gourd that has been boiling in mutton stock and spices. And they will adjust salt. So while it has been boiling, and you can see it has already thickened, they are adding few ladles of yogurt gravy to this. And then they will add oil. They will add the oil in which they had fried bottle gourd. They are going to add it. So these all things are added on top. So here you can see they have added oil, and they have also added yogurt mixture to it. And it's ready. Now at this stage, if you want to make it to danwal korma, you can add fresh coriander, or you can add mint to it to make it to yakhni. So here you can see it's ready. Meanwhile, they keep on checking for the tenderness of bottle gourd, and they adjust salt. So here our yogurt based bottle gourd or Allè Yakhni is ready. And before serving, they will add ghee to it and take it off the flame. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.